Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you're enjoying the new year. Sorry, it's been a while since I posted a video. Anyway, today we'll take a look at Leigh 15. This is belonged to Leigh Corporation. Give me a minute. Corporation. See? Douche. Their coat of arms. So, Leigh 15, Leigh's Corporation buses, they were famously known for their blue livery. And fudge. Yeah. So, as you can tell, this is not a RENOWN one today. This is a AEC. AEC and Leigh at the time, they were rival companies in the bus industries. So, yeah. Here's the information board. Picture, name, coat of arms, the fleet numbers, the registration, services, the transport department it worked with, the crews, bit of information. See, there's a picture again, in its heyday. I don't know when that picture was actually taken. I'll make a reply on that later. So as you can tell, it's a very lovely bus. As I mentioned before, Leigh's were very well known for their blue outer skin, and their interiors were lovely. Look at this. I bet back in its heyday when these were brand spanking new off the lines, these were brilliant. So look at that. Look at this. Bloody fantastic. Some seats. Driver's cab. Now if you know anything about today's cabs, you see, but look at that. Look at that. Huh? That's brilliant. And there's Callum. No. So yeah. So you notice anything about today's cabs, you'll notice how things were different back in the older days. What's he up to? See? Look at this. Look at this font. That font is brilliant. How about that? Look at the font. The font is brilliant. Look at that. Look how brilliant. Look at the storage space. They don't make these like they used to anymore. This is why I wanted this thing. This job. Look at it. Look at this. That's brilliant. That is utterly brilliant. Yes, I did have a shave before you say it, but it's growing back quickly. The font. The font is brilliant. Up here is in pretty much good condition for how many years this bus is, I don't know. Look at this. Now, on most modern buses these days, you'll notice that these two should face that way. But on the Leigh Corporation buses and the older buses of that era, they face the front windows. Now, you know anything about spiral staircases, you know how these are a lot different from what we're used to these days. Look at it. Looks brilliant. Looks absolutely mega gorgeous. One of the best damn buses I've seen in this period condition. I mean, apart from a few cracks in the seats, it's in pretty much condition. Fix them up a little bit. Yeah. So, yeah. There's the number again. This one's Leigh 15. And I will admit, I do like the fonts, as I mentioned before. Cleaning wise, it's easy, these. These are so damn brilliant. Look at it. Where is Cal anyway? Is Callum? Oh, there he is. Want to say hi to the vlog?
Hi.
Yeah. Me and my subscribers got a question for you. Can you come here a second, please? What year was that picture roughly taken? Since you're so clever, what year was that picture roughly taken?
The day they came out.
Pardon?
The day that I was born.
Day it was born?
Yeah, 65.
65?
So 64 when it was being built.
So that picture, what, 1965 then? So mid-60s. So you got it there, people. That picture when it was basically brand spanking new at the time. Yeah, I gotta get a bit of wipe it down a little bit. I think that's my job. So I gotta go. Hope you lot enjoy, and I may do another one down the road later today. Alright? Peace out, y'all. Cal, you wanna say goodbye?